Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. I Kaushal sir welcomes you in the today's computer class. The topic which we are going to be covering in this video is we are going to start a new chapter, that is the formulas and function. In this video I am going to tell you what is the different elements of a formula, how to create a basic and compound formula, and how to use the formula on text, that is concatenation. So before we are going to start a chapter, we should know about some important definition. Some important definitions are MS Excel. MS Excel is the application software which are created by the Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formula and functions. Its extension is .xlsx. MS Excel is basically used for the calculation purpose. Now the next one is the row. A row is a collection of cells in a horizontal direction. The row number ranges from 1 to 10,48,576. In total, there are 10,48,576 rows are there in MS Excel 2010. Next, that is column. Column is a collection of cells in a vertical direction. The column ranges from A to XFD. In total, there are 16,384 columns are there in MS Excel 2010. Now the next definition is range, which is very important. A range is a collection of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. Contiguous means the cells which are connected to each other. Now the chapter formula and function. This is the first screen when we are going to open MS Excel. Now look on the screen, all the important components which makes the Excel sheets. I have labeled all the parts of MS Excel sheets. I am going to discuss formula in Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculation involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers and arithmetic operators and parentheses. A formula must begin with an equal to sign. Elements of formula. I have written here equal to A2 plus B2 into 5 minus sum in bracket E3 colon E5. Here A2, B2, E3, E5 are the cell address. Then plus, multiply, minus sign are the mathematical operator. The word sum is a function name which is predefined in Excel, and E3 colon E5 is denoted as a range. Here I have used a number, that is 5, are known as constant, and all the formulas and function in MS Excel always start with equal to sign. Creating a basic formula. A basic formula means the formula which contains only one type of operator for perform calculation is called basic formula. For example, suppose if you want to do addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, means only single operator is used in a calculation. That formula is known as basic formula. In the given figure, you are able to see in the cell address B8, I have written here equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7. B2 to B7, these are the cell address, and I have used the operator, that is the addition, means single operator is used here. So this formula is known as basic formula. Now the next one is how to create a compound formula. A compound formula means the formula which contain more than one operator to perform calculation is called compound formula. More than one operator means either you can do the addition or subtraction and multiplication and division, whatever. If there is a more than one operator are used in the formula, that formula is known as compound formula. In the given figure, I have taken a simple interest. You know the formula, that is the P into R into T upon 100. Here multiplication and division are used in this formula. In the cell address B8, you are able to see I have written here equal to B4 into B5 into B6 upon 100. It means that here are two operators used, that is multiplication and division. So this type of the formula is known as compound formula. Creating a text formula. We can also perform addition on character and string data type, means text value. The ampersand symbol is used to perform addition. So the definition is linking or joining of two or more text value together is called concatenation. Now for the example, if you are able, you just see the figure. In the figure, in the cell address A1, I have written sun, and in the second cell B1, I have written beam. In the formula bar, you are able to see that I have written here equal to A1 and that is ampersand, then B1. Then press enter key, you will get that the word sun and beam together in the cell address C1. If you like the video, just give me a comment, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Now that's all for today class. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.